Hi, I'm Brian from Team Bit by Bit. I'm the tech lead and team leader. My strength is coordinating the team and guiding decisions, so all parts of the project can come together smoothly. I make sure everyone knows their role, assets and code integrate well, and that we stay on track towards our vision. Today, we'll introduce our game, Fumigate, and the people whose creativity make it possible.
Hi, I'm Dylan, the lead writer. I'm strongest at creating engaging stories and detailed game systems. I design the story, dialogue, maps, combat mechanics, and characters. Once my story is ready, Marla brings these ideas to life visually, combining our talents and ensuring the game feels immersive.
I'm Marla, the lead artist, turning concepts into immersive visuals that match the story. I take Dylan's maps, characters, and story ideas and add my creative touches. This lets Anupam implement the assets smoothly.
You can see I'm the game tester. I'm in charge of choosing the sound effects, testing mechanics, and also the gameplay issues. This ensures Anupam to ensure that the gameplay and the final results are cohesive and enjoyable.
I am Anupam, the main programmer. My strength is coding and integrating systems reliably. I take Dylan's story, Marla's visuals, and Mark's sound choices and implement them in the engine, keeping everything interactive and working smoothly together.
Hi, I'm Ethan, our CEO. I'm responsible for keeping the team organized and documenting progress. I track what everyone is working on, compile the project log, and submit assignments. I also ensure that there's smooth coordination and cooperation throughout the team, and support Brian, our CEO, in making sure all our work comes together for smooth delivery.
Now that you know our team, let's dive into the game itself and how we built it. Fumigate is a survival horror RPG where player choices affect outcomes. Players explore a virus outbreak, making strategic decisions which influence the story. The core gameplay combines branching narrative paths with a classic RPG gameplay in a horror atmosphere. There's meaningful choices and replayable experiences. What makes our game interesting is the way gameplay systems, story, and visuals interact. Every choice affects the character and environment, creating tension and immersion. Our focus is on story, visuals, combat mechanics, and sound. Multiplayer, advanced AI, and mobile support are outside of our scope.
We are building Fumigate in C using Relic for Windows. This stack is lightweight, fast, and ideal for 2D games. It gives us direct control over gameplay logic, collisions, rendering, audio, and scene management. While keeping the project manageable, I implement the story, visuals, and sound in the engine to make the game playable.
Our project follows a modular workflow. Story, visuals, sound, engine integration, testing, and documentation. I coordinate the team to make sure every part fits together smoothly. We organize our timeline in phases: story and art first, then engine work, then testing and polishing, and finally documentation and submission. Potential risks include delays in visuals and arts, integration bugs, miscommunication errors, or submission errors, which we manage through regular check-ins, careful testing, and progress tracking to stay on schedule. By combining our skills, following a clear plan, and coordinating carefully, we will build Fumigate into a game we will be proud to share. Every team member will contribute their strengths, and together we will ensure that story, visuals, and gameplay all come together seamlessly. We're excited for players to experience the world we're creating, carefully making the game bit by bit.